In this video, we will build a beautiful cinematic typing effect using nothing but pure HTML and CSS. Let us build a highly unique terminal-style text animation. I am going to show you how to write out a typewriter micro interaction step by step, featuring a perfectly synced neon blinking cursor that glides smoothly without causing any text-shaking bugs. Let us jump into the body tag. First, I am going to open our layout container using a div tag with the class typing_container. This forms the primary outer bounding box that wraps our layout workspace. Inside this wrapper, I will create our main typewriter display text by writing an h1 tag with the class typing_text. I am going to type our core text string initialize systems inside this h1 tag. Let's back up inside our style tags and add the CSS. I add some basic style to the body. To finish up this body rule block, I will declare font family with Courier New, Courier, and monospace, because monospace lettering is absolutely essential for our character width calculation tricks. Next, let us target our main trigger housing layout by typing out the class selector .typing_container. Inside this block, I'm going to write display inline block to wrap our horizontal space tightly around our text. Next, let us target our h1 text using the class selector .typing_text. Inside this block, I will write display block to ensure the heading behaves as a distinct solid element. I am going to paint the lettering with a bright electric sky blue hue by writing color 38BDF8. Let us set font size to 44 pixels and font weight to 900 to make our letters crisp and punchy. Now for the core typing setup, I am going to write white space unwrap to force our entire string to stay on a single horizontal line. I will add overflow hidden to act as a physical shield that hides characters before they are typed. To build our terminal indicator line, I will write border right 3 pixels solid, hash 38BDF8. Next, I am going to set our width to exactly 18ch, because our string, initialize systems, is exactly 18 characters long, and ch units map perfectly to monospace widths. Now, I will configure our animations by writing animation type characters 4 seconds, steps 18, infinite, alternate, blink cursor 0.75 seconds, infinite. Let us build the math behind our typing sequence by writing our keyframes rule for type_characters. Inside the starting block at 0% and 10%, I am going to define width as 0 so the text is fully hidden. At the ending point from 70% to 100%, I will set width to 18 characters to fully reveal our typed text. Finally, let us build our flashing indicator math using keyframes for blink_cursor. Inside the starting and ending points at from and to, I am going to write border color transparent to turn our cursor invisible. Right in the middle at 50%, I will write border color hash 38BDF8 to flash our cursor line back into view, completing our constant blinking loop and close our remaining curly braces. As we hit save, our code executes cleanly. Our typing effect sits perfectly on our dark workspace studio layout canvas. Thanks to our steps and ch width calculations, the characters type out one by one with zero layout jitter, pause perfectly to allow users to read the content, and then slide smoothly back into position to loop interactive transitions indefinitely. Thanks for watching. If you found this real-time build helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you next time.